If you're seeing a woman and she repeatedly says certain things, it doesn't matter how strong your feelings are. You need to seriously consider walking away. I'm not referring to ordinary disagreements or playful teasing. I'm talking about statements that reveal something much deeper about her character, her intentions, and the level of respect she has for you. Too many men overlook these signals because they're caught up in attraction, attachment, or the fear of ending up alone. They tell themselves she's joking, she didn't mean it, or that it's not worth worrying about. But the reality is different. People often reveal far more through their words than they realize. A woman's language can tell you a great deal about how she views you. Sometimes the message is hidden behind a smile, a laugh, or a gentle tone, but the meaning remains the same. What makes this important is that subtle comments often expose underlying attitudes that become major problems later on. This isn't about being suspicious of everything someone says. It's about recognizing that words can provide insight into a person's true mindset. Certain phrases should immediately get your attention because they point to deeper issues involving respect, appreciation, and relationship dynamics. In this video, we're going to break down 5 statements that deserve careful attention. You'll learn why they're problematic, what they often reveal beneath the surface, and how identifying them early can save you from investing years into a relationship that slowly drains your confidence and emotional well-being. Some of you may already be hearing these phrases from the woman you're currently with. If that's the case, you may have an important decision ahead of you.